All right, Chicago. Well done. I saw some sprinklers and some lawnmowers. And also some vacant stairs. And some hatred and disdain, all in one group. It was very nice. It's all for me. All that hate and disdain is all for me. What's next? What's those? I was just content to just hang. Let's do it. What's the curfew tonight? Oh man, I need to shut up. So this next song is a cover. Don't everybody get too excited. So, how many people here know who Chris Isaak is? Really? That's it? That's all? That's the only people here that know Chris Isaak? This could get real awkward. This is a Wicked Game.